Hey, it's Prentice with Super Detail Store. I'm camouflaged back here behind some of the stuff we're going to be using at our upcoming DIY clinic. It's our first DIY clinic. I'm excited about this. We're hoping to have a series of these, but this first one is on May 31st, Saturday from 8:30 to 10:30. Short and sweet. We're going to meet here at Super Detail Training Center, and we're going to go over that Saturday morning car wash, the thing that seems to take forever. Give you some options on ways to wash your car, whether you have a driveway and a hose, whether you have a pressure washer, or maybe you've got to literally wash your car in your garage, or you never thought that you could do that. We're going to show you how to do that. We'll be going over the full bucket wash. We'll be talking about cleaning wheels a little bit. We'll be talking about ways to wash your car with rinseless, where you're spraying stuff on the car and wiping it off, and even waterless. We're going to show you how to do that. We'll show you how to dry the car quickly with a silicone blade and drying towels, using devices like this and this to get the car wet so you don't have to have a hose. But if you do have a garden hose, we'll show you how to use a garden hose foam cannon. You don't have to have a full-on pressure washer to have a great result with foam cannon. And then obviously we'll be showing you, if you do have a pressure washer, how to use that and get nice foam on your car and wash it off. How to scrub it using the Mitt on a stick. Trying to make it easier to wash the car. It changed my professional detail business when I learned some of these techniques as far as reducing the washing time. So we're going to give that to you. So sign up online. We will have some breakfast refreshments. We will have a door prize. And if you want an extra chance to win that door prize, go ahead and RSVP at superdetail.com. Click on the events tab and scroll down to the DIY clinic on May 31st from 8:30 to 10:30 and RSVP, and you get an extra chance to win those door prizes. We need the RSVP so we can serve you up some nice food in the morning. All right, great. Look forward to seeing you. The store also, we have 15% off anything in the store for that day only while you're there. So come on down with your pocketbook too. All right, we'll see you there.